Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Before I begin, guys, I just want to say to each and every one of you guys, Happy New Year. Wow, 2021 literally flew by, man. Time is going by super fast, but I hope this year is nothing but blessed for each and every one of you guys, and I hope you guys achieve everything you put your mind towards this year. I love you all, and always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.37 trillion. We are up 3.8% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 37.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are seeing quite a bit of green across the board over the last 24 hours. A nice way to start off the year. But over the last 7 days, we are seeing quite a bit of red across the board as well. So, that should not be coming as a surprise to you. We did see Bitcoin seeing a rejection at that $52,250 level, which obviously had an impact on the entire cryptocurrency markets. One thing to also keep in mind is we are seeing quite a bit of manipulation across the board. Obviously, CME futures are closed, people are on holidays, and that is affecting the overall cryptocurrency markets as well. So that should not be ignored. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is none other than, any guesses? And that's none other than Solana. Alright, my Solana family, if we are looking at the Solana price right now, guys, you guys can see Solana is currently trading at 176.56 cents. We are up 2.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana's ranking in the cryptocurrency markets is at the top 5th spot, so that's definitely something we love seeing. Market cap is holding strong at that $54.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is kind of low, guys. We are below $1 billion, but again, that's nothing to worry about. We would see that increase organically. But if we are looking at the bigger picture, guys, as you guys may know, Solana is, wow, one of the top performing assets over the last 1 year. 2021, Solana literally went through the roof, up 11,548% in just the last 1 year. So we cannot forget that when we are looking at the prices for Solana. But before we begin, guys, I just want to say that this video is brought to you by none other than Crypto.com. If you guys know what Crypto.com is, guys, it is the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can join up to 10 million plus users, buying and selling 200 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. You can also spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. And this app can literally be downloaded on the two major platforms, which is the App Store and the Google Play Store. So if you have an Apple device, you can download it on the App Store. If you have an Android device, you can get this app on Google Play Store. One thing I love about this app is that it's a one-stop shop. You can literally convert your fiat to crypto on this app. You can buy majority of the cryptocurrencies on here, and the best part is you can stake stake your coins on this app and earn passive income over time. And the best part is you can spend with your Crypto.com Visa card. This is the prepaid Visa card that you can load up with fiat or crypto, and you can earn up to 8% back on all spendings with your sleek pure metal card. I definitely recommend each and every one of you guys to check this out because you can spend this card anywhere Visa is accepted, which is nearly everywhere around the world, and I'm sure you guys will be very surprised. Use the code down below, the link, first link in the description box below. You will get $25 once you register. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff, the price, what's going on with the Solana price, and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, guys, something very interesting is happening within its Solana's price right now, and I will tell you exactly what that is. As you guys can see, over the past couple days, you guys know when we did see that initial price dip happen within the Bitcoin price, we saw Solana go all the way down to that 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level support at the $150 mark, and we saw a beautiful bounce since then. If you were able to pick up some Solana Solana around here, you saw Solana go all the way up to back into that $205.46 mark in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So that might have been a very sweet time to be dollar cost averaging into Solana. And we were back into the 23.6. This happened just a couple days ago when we did see Bitcoin bounce towards the $52,250 level, which is our confirmation, but we got rejected on here. And you guys can see what happened to the Solana price. We went back below into that 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, and you guys can see once again, you guys can see the level of support at that $166.68 has played out. You cannot make this up, guys. You guys can see we literally touched this level of support and saw a bounce back towards the upside, and we're currently sitting at 177.16. Solana is holding quite well, guys. You know, there's a lot of FUD happening across the board. Obviously, you know, the OGs know how cryptocurrency markets work, but we cannot forget the fact that there's a lot of new money coming into the space. We don't new people don't seem to quite grasp that, you know, nothing is going to go up straight forever. We're going to have to see consolidation phases occurring, and you know, that's something that we need to, you know, accept. And you know, don't get me wrong, when I came new into the markets as well, like 6-7 years ago, I wanted the price to shoot up straight to the sky, and I wanted to be driving a Lambo next day. But unfortunately, guys, that's not how it works. Solana is by far one of the top performing assets, as I had mentioned early on, and it is just getting started. Now let's look at Bitcoin's price right now, and then we will come and see what is the most likelihood scenario to occur within the Solana's ecosystem. As you guys can see, Bitcoin, as I had mentioned, got rejected at our confirmation at that $52,250 level, and you cannot make this up, guys. We literally got rejected around here, saw the price of Bitcoin fall once down towards the downside, and you guys can see this level of support is playing out very importantly at that $46,150 mark. You guys can see how many times we have touched this level of support and saw a bounce back towards the upside. That's definitely something we like seeing right now. But with that being said, Bitcoin is not out of the woods just yet, because we need to break out of our first confirmation level to really, you know, say whether or not we have seen the bottom occur. And as of now, that has definitely not occurred. So we are seeing a strong battle between the bulls and the bears, and we will see who wins. And you know, if we do see the price break below $46,000 support level, then we could see more downwards momentum occur for the Bitcoin price. That would mean that the bears do have control for the short immediate term. So that's why we should not be ignoring this right now. So what would that mean for Solana? Now you may be asking, so let's say we do have a turnover below that 46.1 level, we could see us revisit back down to the $150 easily, guys. I know obviously none of us want to hear this, but we do need to keep in mind that obviously Solana has not completely decoupled from Bitcoin, and obviously Bitcoin is the leading indicator, and it is correlated with the overall cryptocurrency markets, and obviously again Solana is no exception. So Solana will react with that if that were to happen, and I do see this level of support once again play out for us. So you might want to, if you wanted to pick some Solana up around the $150 mark and you do have some extra funds available, you might want to put it buy order around this price level just in case. I am not saying that this can happen. We need to keep one factor in mind, and that factor is that we are in a weekend, and we do see a lot of manipulation occur within the cryptocurrency markets and the Bitcoin price. And obviously, I do take the moves you know, around the weekends with a grain of salt. So that's something that we should not be ignoring right now. But overall, guys, I love the Solana's overall momentum. And as you guys may know, Solana is by far one of the most promising coins for the future. A lot of people are comparing it to Ethereum. I have mentioned this for quite a while to you guys, and if we are going on staking rewards, you guys can see this should not be coming as a surprise to you at all. The most staked asset in the cryptocurrency space is none other than Solana, with 77.29% of the circulation supply off the exchanges being staked right now. So as I have mentioned, if you're in it for the long haul, guys, and you don't care about these price actions, you don't care if Solana goes back down to even $100, you don't care about the volatility, then holding is your number one key to follow, and staking it. Stake your Solana, guys, because what will happen is you will earn passive income and your holding will get larger as time goes by. So it's not smart to just hold your coins if you're in it for the long haul and earn nothing off it. It's always smart to stake it, lock it in, and earn passive income off it. Obviously, I have mentioned this on my channel beforehand. I'll say it again. I do see Solana and Ethereum, being very, very close to one another in their early beginnings. It reminds me exactly of the early Ethereum beginnings, and we are seeing overall the Solana ecosystem getting a lot of exposure, not from only from the institution side, but the retail side as well. As you guys may know, the NFT hype is on another level. 2021 was the biggest year for the overall NFT space, and a lot of people are projecting that the NFT space is only going to explode as this year progresses. And what's happening with the Solana ecosystem is that people are seeing the insane amount of fees on the Ethereum blockchain. You guys may know, if you are in NFTs, you guys exactly know what that is. The fees are absolutely insane on when you're purchasing NFTs through Ethereum. But there are creators that are making their NFTs on the Solana blockchain, and there's literally zero fees involved in it. So that would cause the price to even appreciate more as time goes by, and as the overall NFT space grows towards the upside. Obviously, we have seen Ethereum in the last 1 year grow quite tremendously, but if we are looking at the overall tech side of it, it is way left further behind, because you are seeing Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Polkadot, the list goes on and on, these new blockchains that are coming up and trying to kill Ethereum when in developing aspect of it. And that's why they're gaining a lot of exposure over time, and it should not be coming as a surprise that we are seeing major hype coming into Solana. And I believe this is just the absolute beginning. Yes, we will see consolidation phases occur here and there, but long-term perspective, guys, the sky is the limit for this project. Solana is still in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, guys. That's something definitely I love seeing. And once we're back into the 23.6, guys, you guys already know how I treat the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. That's literally all-time high territories, and we're currently only 15.8% away from there. So you guys know what I'm trying to say. Solana is still holding quite well, and the sky's the limit for this project. But right now, we do need to keep Bitcoin price momentum in mind. Meanwhile, Bitcoin dominance is sitting at some very critical price levels as well. If we do see Bitcoin dominance break below 39.66%, that would be the lowest level that we have seen since May 16th. If we break below this level, we could be in for an altcoin season, and a lot of analysts are anticipating that. So we will see what happens. So far, so good. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and where could you see Solana price go at the end of Q1? I would love to know your thoughts down below, and thank you so much to each and every one of you guys for showing so much support over the past 1 year. I love each and every one of you guys, and always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. If I can ask you guys for one favor, if you can like, comment, and subscribe, that would mean the world for me, and that helps the YouTube algorithm so much, and literally that would mean the absolute world for me, guys. And stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. We're about to take over the 2022 year. Crypto ZX channel, hopefully, fingers crossed, 100,000 subscribers, and I know we will get there. I love you all. I hope you guys stay safe out there, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.